welcome to my vlog. It's me again. Now I'm going to show you how is my husband making our homemade dog food for our babies, Julius and Julius the German Shepherd, and our other boy here, Rocco the White Serbian Husky. So let's go, guys. He's preparing now the dog food. So here's my husband now. So he's cooking now. That is
Vegetables with chopped meat.
okay.
Then we add liver. Then we add rice.
So now he's
And then we
mixing.
add the vitamins, vitamin E,
Yeah.
and then we give them fish oil. Then we get coconut oil.
Yeah, we're gonna do step by step, my loves. Now you are just mixing the
Chopped meat.
chopped meat and the vegetables. And this is the beef liver. He's going to mix it very soon. What did you put there, my love?
Fish oil,
So we're gonna put 1 piece of fish oil
vitamin E
and 1 vitamin E.
for the skin.
Okay. So this is with the dried food with rice. See, for both of them. So since the shepherd eat much than the bit the bottom melon, so he have a bigger portion of the food than the
Coconut oil.
the Siberian Husky. So you're gonna mix with the coconut oil. So the last one is the turmeric.
Saves on doctor bills.
Yeah.
Because here in America, we bring our dog to the doctor.
So 1 scoop of turmeric for the bones. Yeah. So they're gonna mix it together. So this, guys, is a mixture of rice, dried dog food, turmeric, vitamin E, and fish oil. So mixed together.
Give you special itch relief for the German Shepherd.
Yeah, and then we put, because our German Shepherd is a little bit itchy in his body, so we put them something differently with the Husky. So, let's see. That's gonna be put there soon. Just mixing, and then yeah, guys, the vegetables, that's the vegetables that is the from my juicing this morning. So we mix this with the dog food, so it's gonna be so healthy. I do a vegetable juicing, so that's the pulp of fruits and vegetables that I had this morning. So we're gonna wait a little bit, few minutes. How many minutes supposed to be, my loves?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, so we're gonna be there back in 10 minutes. Now, guys, you're gonna mix again. I think it's gonna be ready. So while preparing the dog food, we're gonna have a glass. Yeah, cheers, one. Cheers, my husband. Cheers. Cheers for the Corona.
My family stuck in Brazil.
Please don't say that, because I'm gonna. Yeah, mine.
Go, you got chopped meat, liver, veggies, herbs and spices, and then we mix that in with the dog food, with the rice, and all the vitamins and minerals they gave them. And the dogs eat pretty good.
That's how American way of.
That's how you feed the dog. Oh, this is pretty good. This is better than most. It keeps
Okay.
them away from the doctor, which you don't do in the Philippines, but we send our dogs to the doctor.
Yeah, shush, shush. So, guys, he's calling this out. So we'll wait until it's cold and mix it to the bowl with the other stuff. So he's mixing down now.
It cools down quicker when it's out of the hot pan. When you're cooking, it's not how hot your fire is, it's how hot your pan is.
That's how we feed our dogs. Yeah. very cool.
That's very tasty.
My love, watch your finger there, huh? It's hot. Before you... Key! So mix it all together. This is Julius is waiting. He's waiting for his meal. Hi, Julius boy. Yeah, I know. How's Rocco boy? It's my boy. He's Rocco boy. Yeah, the food is ready, almost ready for you, boy. Look at that. This looks so good.
The Rocco, he'll snip it.
Julius, I'm gonna
and
feed this one.
give
Is
it
it hot?
It's good.
Yeah,
Open
this is
hands,
for
no problem.
Julius.
Rocco.
Julius, it's my boy. Good boy.
Let the old man, let him get a little taste. He's not ready yet. See?
Julius is hungry.
Let him sit. Let him sit. Yeah, good boy. And he has his little shoes in there too for his skin. There's Daddy's boy.
Yeah, he's eating now.
Good boy, Julius.
Yeah, he's hungry,
Good girl.
but he's not hungry yet. He's not ready yet, so we will wait until he cry and beg for his food. That's our shepherd. He's love eating of Daddy's food. So now, so that's for tonight. That's how we prepare food for our four babies. What four babies. F-U-R. How do you say that?
Fur.
For babies, yes. That's it. See you next time on my vlog. Bye bye.